Dropshipping has been growing rapidly this year, and it's not stopping anytime soon. The interest in dropshipping has almost doubled within the last year, and the reason is pretty obvious. The obvious reason is, of course, TikTok. The popularity of TikTok has completely changed the dropshipping industry and has allowed dropshippers to gain organic traffic very easily.
How to do the tower rack with your dick. You got a weak dick?
Most people think that the rapid increase in interest in dropshipping means that dropshipping will become oversaturated, but that's far from the case. This chart shows the expected growth of the dropshipping industry, and as you can see, it's expected to triple in size within the next 4 years. This means that there will definitely be space for everybody in this industry, but it doesn't mean that being a successful dropshipper will be easy, because as previously mentioned, dropshipping is changing very soon. In this video, I will go over 3 different ways that dropshipping will change in 2023 and how you can prepare yourself for the changes. The first thing is the death of the high-ticket hype. What exactly do I mean by this? A lot of people in the space have been glorifying high-ticket products for the last 3 years. This is due to high-ticket products usually having the highest profit margin, which of course is a good thing generally speaking. But the main reason for high-ticket products being a necessity was due to the fact that people were dependent on Facebook ads. Facebook ads are known for being expensive in the long run, which is why high-ticket products were optimal. But this is not the case anymore. TikTok has allowed stores to become even more profitable selling volume products. Volume products are products that can be sold in very, very high volumes. For example, it could be a simple gadget, accessories, or anything cheap like that. These types of products are also easier to sell to the TikTok audience, due to the audience usually being of younger age and therefore not having the same amount of cash available for spending. There's no doubt about volume products making a huge comeback in 2023. The second thing, diversifying your traffic sources. The potential for organic traffic and organic exposure has went through the roof in 2022, and this will only keep continuing in 2023. An important thing when it comes to gathering traffic and exposure to your site is diversifying your traffic sources. Basically, this means not only using TikTok, but also Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. These 3 different medias have extreme potential when it comes to having your content go viral, and not posting on all of them is wasting your content's potential. The good thing is that the same video can be spread across all 3 with no issue at all.
How to make a ball koozie for your nutsack. Guys, No Nut November is over.
This gives you the potential to 3 times your traffic with just one video. The third and last, but definitely most important thing, having an engaging, high-quality, up-to-date website. The fact that people love YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels has a long-term consequence that not a lot of people are talking about. And if you're doing e-commerce, you'll be affected by this, whether you consume content on the platforms or not. You most likely don't use any of those platforms actually, considering that you're still watching this video this far, and therefore your attention span is far above the average, which is exactly what the last point is about. The fact that people's attention span is decreasing every day. This means that you must make sure that your website is optimized in every way possible, because people will most likely not give your store more than 10 to 15 seconds of their attention before leaving it. And let's be honest, designing a good-looking, well-built Shopify store is not easy. There's a lot of things to be aware of, and the chances of you doing it successfully within the first 5 to 10 times are close to none. Therefore, we encourage everyone interested and serious about running a successful store to pay for a Shopify developer to build their store for them. For example, A to Z e-commerce, a developer I've used in the past that also offers to find winning products for you. The link to their website is in the description. This was the last tip that we had. Thanks for watching.